Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your Earbuds Moto Buds 270. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from your phone. We can check it if you go to the Bluetooth. As you can see, not connected. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends on Android phone, because let's say on Realme, under the earbuds you have information in use if it connected and no information if it disconnected. After that, you need to open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone automatically. And as you can see, we have connection. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big troubles with your earbuds. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!